In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if the desktop Windows Manager dwm consumes high CPU or memory on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type screen saver. This one, turn screensaver on or off. And here in the screen saver settings, simply click on this drop down arrow and choose none. So you might be in any of this screensaver type like 3D text, blank, bubbles, mystify, photos, and ribbons. Simply change that to none. Then you have to click on apply and then you have to click on OK. And you can just restart your Windows once after doing so. Then for the next method, we can also adjust the performance of our Windows to best performance. So how can we do that? Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type run. Click on run under the best match. Now here in the run window, simply type this sysdm.cpl. sysdm.cpl, click on OK. In the System Properties window, you have to click on the Advanced tab, which is the third tab there. You'll find Performance. Click on the Settings under it. And here, you'll find the Performance options. Click on the third option, which is Adjust for Best Performance. Click on Apply and click on OK. Okay, so for the next method is we can also check a service. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Services. Click on Services under the Best Match. Then we just need to simply locate the Windows Management Service. So we need to scroll down to the W section. Then we need to look for the Windows Management Service. Here it is. Simply make a right click, select Properties. For the startup type, change this to disabled. And then you have to click on Apply. You have to click on the Stop button and then you have to click on OK. And then close this and restart your Windows once, and that will help to fix the issue. So again, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.